I'm so happy today, guys. Oh my goodness sake. I'm just so happy today, guys, because I met one of my subscribers. Okay. I was like, oh my goodness sake, I never expect I'm going to see her. Well, because I'm dropping something, I know where she lives, and I want to share this video to you. I'm going to tell you some story, okay? So anyway, I'm going to share you what we talk about. She's an international student here in Calgary in Bow Valley. I don't have a video where we met because of course I have to respect people's privacy because I'm not sure if they are comfortable to social media. Okay, so this is what happened. So I met her, and oh my goodness sake, if only you see a video like when we saw each other, like oh my god. So we just like running and hugging and like oh my goodness sake. I feel like she is my longtime friend that I never see her for like 10 years, you know. So we just hug, and you know, she's a tiny petite lady, and you know, and she's a beautiful lady. And she said, oh my god, thank you. And she said to me, and I said, okay. Thank you for subscribing me too. So anyway, this is what happened. We yap for about 10 minutes. She said thank you to me for all the information I'm sharing to my YouTube channels. So she shared her life here in Canada, in Calgary, because she is an international student. And I learned that from her too, that if you are an international student and if you are taking 1 year course, you cannot bring your spouse with you or your children. You can only bring your spouse or children with you if you are international student and taking up a 2 years course. Okay, anyway, what else we talk about? I asked her how is she doing, like how is the feeling to be new in this country, and she said like, you know what, there's a big difference, and like kind of shocking for us here because we are from Saudi Arabia. You know when you are in Saudi Arabia, Canada and Saudi Arabia is so like way different. You know, they even like surprised about the standard of living here in Canada. It's because you will going to pay everything. You know, in Saudi Arabia, I don't know in Saudi Arabia, but I think Saudi Arabia, they provide your food, you have a free rent. Like, you know, you only spend your money when you buy your own food, I think. And some company in Saudi Arabia, sometimes they paid your air flight ticket if you go home in your own country, right? But in Canada, you have to spend everything. Like, you know, that's what she told me. Like, oh God, we have to pay everything. And, you know, I stayed there for like 10 years in Saudi Arabia, and you know, get used to that kind of life. And when you move to Canada, you know, you have to pay everything, your rent, your food. If you are renting, sometimes you have to pay included the utilities if you are lucky, or you have to pay separate utilities, of course, your cell phone bills, your food, your tuition fees. Of course, if you are an international student, you have to pay your tuition fees. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Yeah, because double. If it let's say if your tuition fee is 6,000, it's going to be 15,000 at least, or I think double or triple. Okay, but it's expensive. Okay. So anyway, I told her as long as you are okay, and she said, "Yeah, I'm okay. I'm happy here. I'm enjoying it here." And I said, "That's the main thing. You are happy." And I know the place where she lives is because if you guys remember when I make a vlog about the house for rent here in Calgary, that's where she lived. And she told me, you know what, thank you, Sarah, because of your blog, I have a place to live, and the place where they live is safe. Okay, I know 100% they are okay. So I asked her, as long as you guys are happy in your place right now. And I asked her if she have a job, and she said, yeah, I'm working for now a convenience store. And I said, it's okay, that's a good experience, like to start something to have, like, you know, because when you are international student, you're allowed to work 20 hours per week, okay, while you are studying, right? So for the meantime, she's working and she go to school, which is good. And she told me too, like, oh my goodness sake, it's not easy, like, you know, big difference when you are studying here in Canada. You know, in back home, in our university or college, I don't know how to say that, but we student in Philippines are like spoiled, spoon feeding. Like when you study here in Canada, more on research. You do your own. They will give you assignments, and the rest you do your own thing. You know, research, research. Research. So anyway, that's what she told me. But the most important, you know, she is happy here in Canada. She's happy here in Calgary. And the most important, she is safe where she live right now. For me, I'm so happy. It's because those strangers, people like you guys, okay, I don't know you, you are there helping me, watching and subscribing my channel, and even share my video to some of your friends, like my video and subscribing me. And this is the reason why I have to keep going, you know, because of you guys. I have to make more content. I have to, you know, you make me more like go, you know. If I don't make a video, my life is not complete. So she told me that, you know what, Sarah, people in Saudi Arabia are watching you. And I even shared to my employer, my doctor, about your videos. And I said, oh my goodness sake. So thank you so much to all of you out there around the world. People from Saudi Arabia, India, Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, in Philippines, of course, in Canada. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting my channel. And the people in Saudi Arabia who have a plan to come here in Canada, if you have, you know what? I just make a video actually about ways how to come here in Canada. So if you can go through all my videos, you can see, and you see what it fits you. If you have the dream to come here in Canada. The reason why I said, you know, when you stay in Canada, you become a permanent resident, you become a Canadian citizen, you can sponsor your children back home. But if you stay in Saudi Arabia, I don't think you can be a Canadian. If you stay in Saudi Arabia, I don't think you can be a Saudi Arabian citizen, right? So that's the advantages. Just enjoy this country. I know how life is hard, especially when you just landed into this country, you know, the changes, the weather, especially the weather. And of course, if you're not driving, it's not easy. When days, months, and years goes on, you will be okay. You will get used to. By chance, if you are qualified, then you can just sponsor them to come here in Canada, okay? But siblings is not easy to sponsor in Canada, okay? You can sponsor your siblings if they are under like 22 years old below. But if they are above, no, it's not easy to bring your own siblings, your brothers and sister in Canada, okay? And yeah, they can come to Canada by visitor visa in some other pathways, but sometimes they have to apply on their own, okay? People are subscribing me from Saudi Arabia, from different country. That's why, you know, to be honest with you, that's why I have to speak English. Speak English as much as I can, you know, so people can understand. Even some people from Central America and South America, some part of Asia, like Pakistan, Cambodia, Indonesia, Thailand, all over the world, okay? So thank you so much, and just don't forget to subscribe. The more you subscribe and like and share my videos, YouTube is more happy. YouTube is more happy, yeah? Actually, I have some more subscribers here in Calgary that they chat with me, especially one of the family who arrived here about the month of September, I believe. Oh no, month of August. And I promised to them I'm going to meet them, and you know, life is so busy, eh? But I think they are happy too, and they live somewhere in southwest area in Calgary. But I'm sure I'm going to meet there one day. Okay, I told that international student, you know what? Let's just have a barbecue in my home. If you are one of my subscribers, let's just have fun on summertime here in Calgary, okay? Oh God, I hope, you know, the thing is, like, you know, the restrictions. So I hope everything is going to be okay, and let's just have a get together one day, okay? And let's just have a barbecue in my backyard during summertime, okay? It's more fun during summertime. If you are in Calgary, say hi to me too, okay? Okay, and let's just have fun during summertime here in my backyard. You know, my house is an old house. It's not a fancy house, but you know, we're just doing some barbecue and yap, and let's just cheers. Life is short. Let's just be happy and smile and help each other, okay? Life is good. God is good. So thank you so much for watching and God bless everyone. I'll see you again. Bye.